You created a good quality content, you have a good on-page SEO, a good backlink profile. Still, your website is stagnant. Yes, your growth can stall in spite of these three mainstays of SEO. What do you do now? You need to look at topic clusters. Wait, you are already using topic clusters? Are you really using topic clusters effectively? How can you take advantage of topic clusters? That is what we are going to discuss in this video. Hi, my name is Navdeep Soni. I am an SEO consultant, and on this channel, we explore strategies and tools that help you grow more and earn more. The fundamental reason why I am making these videos is to share what I know and experiment when it comes to SEO conversions, but also to produce stuff that is fresh and relevant in SEO. SEO is ever changing, but in the last 2 years, every Google update kind of gives you a reflection on where SEO is moving. One of the key things that have changed is the shift from keyword-centric SEO to more topic-based SEO. Google is promoting stuff based on topics rather than keywords, which makes traditional keyword research based on volume competition somewhat irrelevant. And not many people in the online world are talking about it. That is why the concept of topic clusters is so important to understand and implement if you want to rank on multiple keywords on a given topic. A topic can be regarded as a collection of keywords that explain the subject matter. You need to have a solid pillar page that comprehensively describes the topic, and then this pillar page is connected with other supporting subpages on the topic. The best way to understand a good topic cluster is through an example. Let's look at the first example.
Okay, before we head to the real world examples, let me give you a simplified version of what is a topic cluster. So let's say this is our main pillar page and these are subtopics. So this is our pillar page or the main topic, and it has, let's say, 4 subtopics. So this entire stuff is the topic cluster, right?
So basically, let's say if you are writing a topic cluster on SEO, probably your subtopics could be keyword research, what are long tail keywords. So these kind of supporting stuff to your pillar page, together these forms the topic cluster. So now let us look into the 2 examples. Now the first example which I have is the Zerodha Varsity web page. So as you can see, they provide financial education on stock market, the basic modules. So these are some 30 modules on this page. So this is the pillar page. And if you look clearly, the pillar page is just targeting the main modules. There is no content inside it, right? They have chapters, they have modules, but all are linked from here, the main URL. And let's say if we go to these URLs, so check here, introduction to stock market. Let's pick up another module over here. See, Varsity module and the option strategies. Later in the video, I will share you the exact directory structure of this example, which will help you to understand how the main pillar page is the Varsity, and then the further modules are under the Varsity pillar page. And more importantly, what you need to see is the URL structure. Let's look at another example. So this is a chatbot topic cluster on drift.com. As you can see, the headline is the ultimate guide to chatbots. So what this pillar page does is it touches these topics like how do a chatbot work, what are the benefits of chatbot, why are they important, and so on. And if you go down, you will see all these topics have been touched, making it a strong pillar page. So now let's try to go a little deeper into this pillar page. So let us pick up how does a chatbot work. So this is a small introduction to the topic. How do they work? What are their types? And then it says learn more, and it takes you to the actual page which describes in detail how does a chatbot work. Let us look at that. See over here. How do rule-based chatbot work? They have illustrations. How do AI chatbot work? Again, there is an illustration. So basically, they have elaborated how does a chatbot work in a subtopic, in a sub-page. And if you see the URL structure, it is under the pillar page chatbot. Let's go back and see. Got it? So this is the pillar page, the actual URL. And if you go to any subtopic, it will be under chatbot. Let us look at another example. So this page is describing the benefits of using a chatbot, and check the URL. I will give the links to both these examples in the description. But the main point over here is that you need to have a pillar page and it should be connected with subtopics. Either you make a pillar page like an index, or you give in the introduction of a subtopic and then link back to that subtopic where you describe the entire subtopic on a different page. And also, before we leave this subtopic, there can be multiple subtopics. And depending upon your structure, each subtopic can further have subtopics. I hope this illustration gives you some clarity on that. Let's get back to the video. So how do you find out topic clusters? First of all, you need to have is buyer's persona crafted in detail to understand what they may search and need, what are their problems related to the niche. Always remember, people go to Google to solve their problems. You need to understand their intent, their problems. You need to ask what problems my topic cluster is solving for my targeted customers. Another way is to use keyword research and find broader topics. In your keyword research, you will find a lot of informational questions that will help you to identify topics. If you look at the Drift chatbot example, it is a classic case of finding all the problem-solving questions related to chatbot and using them in your topic cluster. You can also do this by putting all your keywords in an Excel sheet and start mapping your keywords to the broader topic. Create a separate worksheet for each topic you are making in the worksheet. I have created a sample worksheet for you that you can download from the description. Be careful while defining your topics, as you may end up using very broad topic and it will defeat the purpose of a topic cluster. Always look at the volume of the main topic. Roughly, it should be somewhere around the range of 10,000. You don't want a topic to be narrow or as broad as with a volume of 50,000 or 80,000 monthly searches. Another good option is to search for topics and subtopics on answerthepublic.com. Put your seed keyword and it will map out so many relevant topics that you can export into Excel and start creating your topic clusters. Creating all topics and subtopics in an Excel sheet is a must, so that you know what content you need to include in a topic cluster, and it will help you to create a content plan as well. Finally, your main topic will be your pillar page, and the length of the pillar page can vary depending upon the topic. It is a common myth that you need to write 5,000 or 10,000 words for a good pillar page. In the chatbot example, I think it might be 3,000 words where all the subtopics are introduced. Whereas in Zerodha Versity example, it is a kind of an index page for all the modules. There are no hard and fast rules. Only rule you need to understand is to cover your topic comprehensively and try to make it a better resource about that topic on the web. Now, some important questions. What exactly do you include on a pillar page? What is a content brief that a content writer should follow? How do you write an SEO-friendly pillar page? All these will be covered in the next 2 videos. But before you go, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Check out the description for all the important links. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That is it for today. I'll see you in the next one.